So this will be a continuation of the videos I did prior. There's the Beck Arnley part 0361789. Got that on rockauto.com. If you guys didn't see the last video where I'm actually removing the gaskets and the oil tube seals, I'll put a link up in the top right hand corner right now. But just installing the valve cover gasket. On the valve cover gasket, if it's a high quality valve cover gasket, there will be little nubs, little nipples on the on one side of the valve cover gasket. Those nubs go into the valve cover itself. So right there I have a 30mm socket, and I use that to push in the oil tube seals. Sometimes you can do it by hand, sometimes you can't. Just depends. Some have slid in pretty easily, but these are giving me some hard time. So what I did, I stuck them in my freezer. The longer you can let them in the freezer or let them sit in the freezer, the better. If you can do it for 24 hours, great. 48 hours is even better. But I just stuck those in. I think I got maybe half an hour, 45 minutes. But it shrinks them down and lets you put them into the valve covers a little bit easier. So right there I have all the 10 bolts needed to hold down the two valve covers. But you got to take off the old seals and the old metal bracket, or not bracket, but there's a metal part on it. I just took a pair of side cutters, pair of dikes, and cut through that. And then the new kit, valve cover kit, comes with new parts, the new metal and the new gasket as well. The reason you want to do that is because sometimes if you use the old one, you'll leak oil out of the out of where the bolts actually sit. So just cleaning those up, not hard. The hardest part is cutting through the metal. Just cleaning it up to the best of my ability. Want this thing squeaky clean when it gets all put back together. So then I go back and I grab the oil tube seals. I got Mobil 1 grease, red grease. I picked it up from AutoZone. But you put that into the valve cover, put a light coating where the oil tube seals go, and then I put a light coating on the outside of the oil tube seals and just putting it into place. It's better to leave these sticking up a little bit than deep inside. Don't bottom them out onto the valve cover, because I've seen aftermarket, most aftermarket oil tube seals are a little bit shallower than OE, so leave them sitting up a little bit higher, and there you guys go.